Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Vijay and I'm here today with a brand new motorcycle, and you can pretty much see here this is a KTM RC 125cc 2021 edition. And signature style projector headlamps are missing in that. So the design language is pretty much simple, plain and clear here, but yet it is very attractive when you see it from the other side. Maybe when you see it from a when you see it from this angle, this motorcycle looks absolutely aggressive and absolutely stylish. So this is the latest offering from KTM lineup. So already earlier to this, the KTM RC 200 was launched, and pretty much they both look very similar. The only difference between RC 125 and 200 is the engine and also the design part, because RC 125 is going to get a different color scheme. So right now what we are seeing is this is the white and orange color scheme, and there is a other color scheme along with that which gets the black finish, black and orange color job, paint job. So right now I'm going to talk about the changes what it has got, and we'll also talk about the engine. So let's directly get into that part. So the motorcycle, what you see, this is a 125cc, and this is the I can pretty much say that this is the most upgraded and most advanced 125cc motorcycle available in country if you compare it with the other 125cc motorcycles which are there in the market, because the KTM RC 125 gets the 6-speed gearbox along with that a fuel injection, and made it to a 6-speed gearbox which can put out 14.5 PS power along with that 12 Nm torque. And when it comes to safety, so KTM RC 125 offers dual disc setup, front and back. So it is equipped with dual channel ABS, and you can see this is whole new design here with a hollow setup of disc, and this is the ABS ring. Along with that, even the alloy wheel on the motorcycle is new, which gets the 5 setup design, and of course the front and back are tubeless tires, which the motorcycle offers you 110 by 70 17 inches rim at the up front, and along with that a USD suspension, USD forks at the front. And of course and this is a rear monoshock which will keep you comfortable on almost all kind of terrains. Maybe you are riding in bad road patches or on a tarmac or little bit of off-road. So this is a rear section of the bike. So this is a disc setup. It has also got the ABS setup on it, and the rear section tire, the motorcycle offers you 150 60 by 17 inches rim, along with that very stylish and very old look tire hugger, and also extended plastic on it which will protect you from mud and slush when you're riding in monsoon or somewhere in the city where you find lot of water. And along with that, the most upgraded feature on it, the seats on the bike. So you get kind of touring seat material on it which will keep you comfortable when you are riding it for a long time. Maybe you are riding in traffic or maybe you are riding in highway, but this material on the seat which will keep you comfortable. Along with that, also the pillion seat setup which you see here. So even if pillion is coming along with you, he's riding with you, he can also feel comfortable and he can feel confident when you're riding in high speeds, because you have the grab rails here which pretty much he can hold it up. And even the tail lamp design which is here, this is also the updated one. And the frame is also changed on the motorcycle. So right now what the frame that you see is a split trellis frame, which this kind of frames that we see on higher cc motorcycles, maybe like 390 or 1000cc motorcycles. So it has also equipped with the latest technology on it, and even the tank is upgraded. So previously we used to get a 9.5 capacity tank, but right now you get a 13.7 liters tank. So pretty much you can long for more distance. And handlebar which you see here is a split handlebar, and this is also adjustable. You can adjust it according to the rider height. You can pull it inside or you can pull it out a bit, I mean according to your riding comfort. And this is the instrument cluster of the motorcycle. So pretty much motorcycle offers you a gear position indicator, tachometer, speedometer info, and of course you get a trip A, B setup on it. Yeah, trip 1, trip 2 and ABS, and along with that you have a clock and all other indicators like ABS, fuel injection, oil change, and also the caution symbol, and you also get a side stand indication and low fuel indication in it. And I really like the instrument cluster on it, especially this design, these switches and lights behind the switches, which are really handy when you are riding it, when you are trying to park your motorcycle in dark, so you can pretty much see all of these things. So this is a bike. So this is how the RC 125 looks 2021. So right now we are seeing the white and orange color scheme. So there's other color scheme which is available with this motorcycle. And let us also talk about the price and also the weight of the motorcycle. So firstly, the motorcycle weight is somewhere 160 kgs. That's a dry weight. And so this is a 125cc, and we expect a lot of mileage in a 125cc bike. So this is also designed according to that, according to the Indian road style and according to the fuel economy style. So you according to the online sources, you will get 40 to 45 kilometers per liter. That's the average, but it might go here and there, depends upon your riding style. If you rev it a lot, so the average may go down. If you ride it in economy, the average might go up. Last but not least, very interesting fact. Maybe I have to show my face and then then I can reveal the price of the motorcycle. So yes, जब कभी भी हम कोई गाड़ी के बारे में बात करते हैं तो बस तीन ही चीज़ हमारे दिमाग में आते हैं. And whenever that you ride a motorcycle and people people get bumped into you and they ask these three questions, very frequently asked questions. The first question they ask you is like, what is the price of the motorcycle, and that we are going to discuss. And other two segments that we have already spoke, like कितना देती है, कितना पीती है और कितना देती है. And we have already spoke about the mileage. So mileage is like 40 kilometers. And कितना भागती है, कितना तेज भागती है, what is the high speed. I mean it can do 100 very easily, more than 100, but we are not supposed to do that because we have to respect the Indian road rules. So according to that, whatever is the speed limit, follow that. And so I really respect all of the road rules, whatever that we have. So आप भी रेस्पेक्ट कीजिए. जो कुछ भी स्पीड लिमिट रहेगा रोड पे, सो वही स्पीड लिमिट पे आप चलाने की कोशिश कीजिए गाड़ी. उससे अगर कम भी चलाएंगे तो कोई फ़र्क, कोई ऐसा कोई हार्म तो कुछ नहीं है. सो it can do easy 100 because it is a 6-speed gearbox, and this is a futuristic 125cc which is available in country. So right now we have to talk about the first priority of the motorcycle that I am talking in the last, price of the motorcycle. So I'll just talk only about the ex-showroom price because price might differ place to place and showroom to showroom. So right now the ex-showroom price of RC125, KTM RC125 is 1,80,000. So for a better understanding of price or for test ride, I'll leave a contact number in the below description portion wherein you can call them and you can have a complete test ride of the motorcycle so that you will understand it clearly. Like whatever is your purpose, whatever is your requirement, you can according to that you can pick the motorcycle. So that's what is Vijay's quick review about the RC125. All new RC125 from KTM. So guys, do let me know in the comment section, do you want me to do a motor vlog on it? Do you want me to ride the motorcycle and go around and briefly should I bring you the braking, acceleration and also the suspension thing? So let me know in the comment section. Depends on that. Maybe I'll also try to make a video like how exactly the motorcycle feels. When you ride the bike. So guys, this is my quick review about the RC125. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, definitely like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you'll get latest videos, I mean latest reviews. So please support guys. Bye, see you in another video.